Homemade mayonnaise, guys. You don't need to go to shops. Just make your own mayonnaise.
And say they don't like words that make me feel like I'm not worth it.
Hi guys, and welcome. This is me, Jade Rose, singing vegan mum. And now if you don't know who I am, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum. I love to bring you beautiful vegan recipes as well as sing beautiful songs to you. La la la. So if you look on my YouTube channel right here, you will see that not only do I have vegan recipes, there's also my music, my songs, there's interviews, there's loads of things. So I'm in the singing mood. Oh yeah, I'm in the singing mood. Anyway, today what we're doing, I thought we would demystify the whole vegan mayonnaise thing. Now I don't know if this happens for you, but I have to travel far and wide to buy vegan mayonnaise, and for some reason it's really expensive. I don't know why it's expensive. As you know, I've been making a lot of salads these days, and I want to make beautiful dressings to go with it as well. So I thought today I would just show you how to make a really easy vegan mayonnaise. Now before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe, to hit that bell button so that you'll always know when I've got a new video up. So now let's get into this vegan mayonnaise. It's really easy. After this you will never need to go to no shop and buy mayonnaise because you can do it. Okay guys, so I have all the ingredients that you need. So the ingredients are simple. I have 1 cup of soya milk, 1 cup of grapeseed oil, and then I've got salt, pepper and lemon juice, and that's it. Make sure you've got yourself a blender where you can pour the oil in as you go in along, okay? Alright, so the first part, let's get into it. Let's put our milk, our soya milk, into our blender. Now listen, if you use any other milk, I don't think it works. So soya milk has to be the one for this one. You can make mayonnaise with aquafab. I'll do that one soon. But for now, we're going to do this mayonnaise with soya milk. Then I have a lemon, which I'm going to squeeze in. So hold on a second. It's got some. I'll do this a bit long. So anyway, yeah. So then you're going to squeeze your lemon in. Capture your seeds if you've got seeds in it. Of course, this one has got seeds. It's good to get ones with seeds in it. So yeah, squeeze your lemon juice into. There's a seed gone in there. I'm going to have to fish it out. That works out at 1 teaspoon. Ooh. So a teaspoon of white wine vinegar in there as well with your lemon. So now I've got this going on a bit of a low speed, and I'm just going to slowly pour in this cup of rapeseed oil. And I'm just mixing. I'm just slowly adding in more. Oops. Let's stop. Why is he stopping? Why are you stopping? I never told you to stop. I've added in all the oil, and now it is lovely and creamy. I don't know if you can see it. It kind of looks like ice cream. It looks fantastic. It is all done. Look, look, look. Let me pour it for you. Lovely, thick mayonnaise. Can you see that? I want you to see how lovely that is. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, can you see that? Oh, I was dropping it all over the place. It is gorgeous, thick and delicious, just like the shops. So now you know what you can do with this, guys. You can season it however you want to. So first of all, I'm just going to put some salt in it. So I've got some Himalayan pink salt, just to give it some seasoning. And then some black pepper. Oh, beautiful. I'm just going to do that for you guys to see that. Look at that, look at that. Ooh. Homemade mayonnaise, guys. You don't need to go to shops. Just make your own. Beautiful. You can split that up and season it how you like. And you can add garlic to it, chives to it, herbs to it, so you can make your mayonnaise have its own flavor. So you know what I'm going to do today though, because I'm from the Caribbean, I'm from Jamaican, I'm going to jerk my mayonnaise. I'm just going to add dried mixed herbs to one. Ooh. Yeah, I might even add a little extra dried parsley to go with it because I like the colour. And then I'm going to add some garlic salt with it. You can do fresh garlic if you like. This is garlic salt, and this is my first version. Sorry, and this is one version of the mayonnaise. Lovely. Yeah. And then the other version I'm going to make, as I said, is going to be the jerked one. So I'm going to put it in my bowl. I've got some dried jerk seasoning. You could use the sauce. I've got the jerk sauce, but I'm going to use this dried jerk, and I'm going to put it in here like this. Generous, very generous. And again, I'm just going to mix it up. So now I've got two kinds of mayonnaise. I've got a jerk mayonnaise and I've got a garlic and herb mayonnaise. But you can do what you like. You can put beetroot in it and make it red and beetrooty. But look guys, simple. And now you can put these in a jar in the fridge, last for about 5 days, yeah? And that's it guys, mayonnaise.
Criticize and say they don't like words that make me feel like I'm not worth it.
So earlier I made this lovely chickpea salad with spinach, onions, of course tomatoes. So here are the goodies that I had in the air fryer. Lovely sweet potato fries. I literally just cut them up, sliced them up. I didn't even season them or anything. And then I put the plantain in there as well. Wonderful. And I'm literally just going to build me a plate of delicious food. And I forgot that I had steamed some long-stemmed broccoli as well. And guys, what a delicious meal this is. I'm so happy with our homemade mayonnaise. Now guys, I want you to try this. It's really simple and cheap to make. Just imagine, it's just soya milk, it is rapeseed oil, onion vinegar, lemon, salt and pepper, and whatever you want to season it with. And look what we've just created. So guys, try it out. Don't forget, I've got my ebook over on my website, www.jbrose.co.uk. Also, I should try this. Here's me talking away. Let me try this. Let me try, this is the jerk one. Really nice. It's not even hot and peppery. I should add a little bit more jerk to that one, but it's very tasty. Now I'm going to try the herb and garlic one. Really nice. So guys, don't forget to go over to my website and download my ebook. I've got some wonderful recipes there. If you send me your email address at info@jbrose.co.uk, I have a free gift of 4 bonus recipes free for you. So send me your email address and then you get to know all about what I'm up to. Don't forget to check out my Facebook, my Insta and my Twitter, where I've got lovely content for you, and of course my YouTube site. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl.